Replacing a compressor clutch can seem tricky, but the process is straightforward with the right tools. We'll walk you through each step, from disassembly to installing the new clutch, pulley, and magnet. The process is generally the same for most car AC compressors. To start, remove the center bolt that holds the clutch assembly in place. You can use a vice grip to hold the pulley steady while loosening the bolt. Using a vise is much easier, since it frees up both your hands and keeps the compressor stable. Next, remove the pressure plate from the clutch assembly. With the pressure plate off, we can access and remove the snap ring that secures the pulley. To safely remove the pulley, use a puller tool. This prevents damage to the compressor shaft. Underneath the pulley, there's another snap ring holding the clutch magnet in place. Remove that as well. Here's a look at the old parts. Compressor clutches often fail due to worn pulley bearings, excessive heat, or electrical coil burnout from overheating. We're replacing the magnet, pulley, and pressure plate with new components to ensure smooth operation and reliable engagement. Start the reinstallation by placing the new magnet onto the compressor body. Secure the magnet with the inner snap ring. Slide the new pulley onto the shaft. Make sure it's properly aligned and seated. Add in the snap ring. Reinstall the pressure plate over the pulley. Finally, tighten the center bolt to secure the clutch assembly. Spin the pulley by hand to ensure it's properly aligned and rotates smoothly. If needed, add compressor oil to maintain proper lubrication and prevent premature wear. With everything back together, the compressor clutch engages perfectly, just like new.